Okay, good morning students. So last class we discussed about what is the orbital velocity and so write the expression for orbital velocity. So V naught is equal under root of G R, okay, or GM by R plus H. So in the last class, and also so the force between the two bodies to find out the two problems. Now today discuss the another topic. So that topic is escape velocity. So last class already we discussed about orbital velocity. So what mean of the orbital velocity? So the velocities means the object, the velocity is required to the object. So the object is revolving around the planet, or Earth is called as a orbital velocity. Now today discuss the another topic. So that topic is escape velocity. Escape means that is means తప్పించుకొని పోవడం. Escape means, okay. So escape velocities means, so here that is denoted by the VE, escape velocity, and so the minimum velocity required for any object, escape from gravitational influence, So gravitational influence means, the gravitational force, escape from gravitational force. So from the Earth or planet, so that is called as a escape velocity. So what mean of the escape velocity? So the velocity is required to the object, that object or satellite escape from gravitational influence, So that is called as a escape velocity. And that means Earth యొక్క ఫీల్డ్ నుంచి, ఎర్త్ యొక్క ప్రభావం నుంచి అది ఎస్కేప్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఎర్త్ యొక్క ఫీల్డ్ నుంచి, ఎర్త్ యొక్క ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ నుంచి అది ఎస్కేప్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as a escape velocity. Okay, it is denoted by the V. Okay, right. So now next one, so is a escape velocity. Okay, is known as escape velocity. And so also to find out the expression for escape velocity. VD. Okay, expression for escape velocity. Now we consider the mass of the object, small m, and okay, so the mass of the object small m is placed on surface of the earth of radius capital R and mass capital M. And okay, so consider the object of mass M and is placed on the surface of the earth. Mass is taken capital M and radius is R. Okay, got it? So now we are consider the mass of the object, okay, small m. Okay, mass of the object or mass of the body, mass of the particle is considered on surface of the planet. Okay, on surface of the planet or earth. Okay, that earth consists of radius capital R and so mass is capital M. Radius is capital R, mass is capital M. Got it? So now the gravitational force on surface of the earth, the small g on surface of the earth. Okay, small g on surface of earth. Surface of earth. So that is small g is equal to gmo by r square is on surface of the earth. Okay, got it. So small g on surface of the earth. Now assuming the object is taken from the center of the earth. Okay, so the object is taken from the center of the earth to the on the surface of the earth. Okay, so bring that object is taken from center of the earth to on surface of the earth. Got it? On surface of the earth. So that is equal. F is equal. Okay, so F is equal G capital M small m by R square. Also we can write. Or so this equation not useful. So that is the gravitational influence or gravitational force. F is equal G capital M small m by R square. We can write. So that is the gravitational force. F is equal G capital M small m by R square. But assuming or consider the object is taken from center of the earth. Okay, so the object is taken from center of the earth or placed on surface of the earth. Got it? First of all, we consider the object that is consists of mass m is placed on surface of the earth. On surface of the earth. So the gravitational force according to Newton gravitational law, gravitational force F is equal G m by R square. But here we consider or assuming, so the object is bringing from infinite to at the point on surface of the earth, on surface of the planet, or bringing from infinite to at the placed on surface of the earth. Okay, at the placed on surface of the earth. Got it? So that means so the object is placed infinity to on surface of the earth. So that is the radius of the earth is taken capital R. Radius of the earth is capital R. Now, so here that is the object is bringing from infinity to and the surface of the earth. That is a small work done. Okay, so W is means F into S. W is equal F into S. Now here consider the or assuming the object is taken or bringing from center of the earth to on surface of the earth. On surface of the earth. So that particular condition, so the work done due to the force and displacement. So the work done W is equal F into S. S is means displacement. But here the taken the displacement S is radius. Okay, that is the radius. S is equal radius. Now here substituting that equation. So W is equal F. F is force. Okay, so already we know that the force G capital M small m by R square into S. S is means displacement. So the object is bringing from infinite to at that point of surface of the earth. That means the distance is travel or capital. So R cancel. So remaining equation we can write. So W is equal G capital M small m by R. G capital M small m by R. So the total work done will be stored in a potential energy. Potential energy, it is denoted by the U. Okay. So the total work done here, the total work done as stored in a potential energy. So the potential energy U or P dot E is equal to, that is the G m small m by R is taken. Okay, R is taken. G capital M small m by R is the potential energy. Okay, potential energy stored an object. U is equal or P dot E is equal G capital M small m by R. R is means the radius. m is the mass of the earth, small is the mass of the object. Okay. Now here in this condition, so escape velocities means, so the object is escape from gravitational influence. Gravitational influence. That means, so the potential energy is equal kinetic energy. So the object is escape from gravitational influence. So the potential energy is equal at equilibrium, or potential energy is equal kinetic energy. Potential energy is equal kinetic energy. Potential energy already derived that equation. U is equal, or E dot E is equal G capital M small m by R, G mm by R. What is the kinetic energy? So the kinetic energy of the any object or any particle, any body. So that already we know that. So that equation of m v square, of m v square. Okay. So kinetic energy, potential energy, that is the G capital M small m by R is equal to kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy of the any object is equal of m v square. We can write of m v square. But here consider the velocities, escape velocity, that is denoted by the v. So now we also write that v. Okay, of m v square. Okay. So small m are cancelled. So the 2 go to outside. 2 m by r is equal to v square. V square. But v is equal under root of 2 m by r. V is equal under root of 2 m by r. That means, okay, so this is called as a escape velocity equation. V is equal under root of 2 m by r. Okay, so we can write in another words the small g. Okay, so small g is equal m by r square. Okay, got it. So now here multiplication with respect to r by r. Okay, r by r. So v is equal under root of 2 m r by r square. Gm by r square is equal small g. So v is equal under root of 2 r. Okay, so this is called as a escape velocity from gravitational influence. So v is equal under root of 2 r. And so escape velocity, so calculated, that is the v is equal under root of 2 into small g. So small g is equal 9.8 or 10. Okay, got it. And so r is means radius. So the radius is 6.4 into, so 10 to the power of 6 is taken, or 6,400 kilometers. 6,400 kilometers. Now substituting all those equations or those values are in that equation, and so we get the final equation. So VE is equal, so 11.2 so meter per second is taken. So this is called as a escape velocity. Okay. So here in the equation, so V is equal under root of 2 m by r. So multiplication and divided, so with respect to r by r, and so we can write 2 m by r square. So but gm by r square we can write small g. So V is equal under root of 2 r. So g value, substituting that value is 9.8 meter per second. And also, so r is means the radius of the earth. So the radius of the earth 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, so that value substituting in the equation, so we get the escape velocity. Escape velocity of any object of any short light is taken from escape from gravitational influence, so that is required 11.2 meter per seconds. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay, so now here given problem. So in this problem, three spherical balls of masses of the 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg are placed at the corners of equilateral triangle. At the corners of equilateral triangle of side of 1 meter. Side of 1 meter. So now consider the two spherical balls. Two spherical balls. So these three spherical balls of a mass is 1 kg, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. Okay, is placed corners of equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is, that is called as a 60 degrees. Okay, equilateral triangle. So the side of horizontal, so that is considered 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So find the magnitude of gravitational force are extracted by the 2 kg and 3 kg masses on the 1 kg mass. 2 kg, 3 kg masses on 1 kg. Okay, got it. So that means the spherical balls of a mass 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg are placed at the corners of the equilateral triangle. Side by 1 meter is given. Okay, and find the magnitude of gravitational force. So the first, the magnitude of gravitational force extracted by, so the 2 kg on 1 kg, 3 kg on 1 kg. So that is the first is taken. So the body is between. Okay, the spherical balls, two balls. That is called as a first body and so 2 kg and 1 kg. So mass is taken. M1 is equal 1 kg and so M2 is equal 2 kg. Okay, so the gravitational force F1 is equal. Okay, so G, capital M and small m. That means M1, M2 by R square we can write. So G, M1 means here 1 kg, 1 kg and 2 kg by R square. That is the distance square, 1 meter square is equal to 2G we can write. That is the equation 1. And also the the 3 cages are acting on the 1 cage. That is the magnitude of the gravitational force. Magnitude of the gravitational force extracted by the 3 cages body on 1 cage body. So the force we can write. So that is the M1 is equal 1 kg. M2 is equal, that is called as M3 we have taken. So M3 is equal 3 kg. Okay, now the force F2 is equal G M1 M3 by R square is taken. That is called as a gravitational force. So G1 into 3 by the distance square. The distance from the given problem. So 1 meter square. So 1 square. That is called as a 3G. So equation 2. Okay. So F is equal, F2 is equal, and so the resultant magnitude, so acting, that is F is equal under root of F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. Okay, F is equal F1 square. F1 square means that is a 2G square plus 3G square plus 2 into Tg into 3G cos theta. Cos theta means cos 60. Cos 60. So F is equal 2G square means so 4G square plus 9G square plus 2 into 3 into 2 6. 6 into 2 12. 12G square cos 60 means 1 by 2. So 2 6. Okay, 2 6 are. That means here 4G square, 9G square, 6G square. So 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 4, 19. So F is equal under root of 19. Under root of 19 G square is equal under root of 19 G. Under root of 19, so G. This is called as a magnitude of the force extracted by the 2 kg on 1 kg, 3 kg on 1 kg. Okay, got it. Okay, so now at a certain height above the earth surface, the acceleration due to gravity is 4%. The acceleration due to gravity is 4% of its value at the surface of the earth, and so determine the height. Okay, so at a certain height above the surface of the earth, acceleration due to gravity, so that is called as a GH is equal to 4% of G. So the 4% means, so the 4 by 100 into G. So GH is equal. But already to find out the GH is equal to, so 1 by 1 plus H by R, G by 1 plus H by R whole square. So this is called as a above the surface of the earth. So GH already given from problem, 4 by 100 into G is equal to, so G by 1 plus H by R whole square. Okay, got it. So here 100 into G. So G are cancel. So 25 is 100. Okay. So 1 plus H by R whole square is equal 25. So 1 plus H by R is equal under root of 25. That value is 5. So H by R is equal to, so 5 minus 1, that is the 4. H is equal to, so to find out the height, so determine the height. So 4 into R. R is equal, radius of the earth, 6,400 kilometers. So 64 into 4 jar. So 16, 256. So 25600 kilometers. Okay, so 25,600 kilometers to find the height. Okay, got it. So thank you, friends. So discuss the another chapter next class.